you got the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups, little girl? Poor baby. Hiccups gone.
All gone?
Time to get down.
Mini.
Come on, Mama. Time to get me out of here.
It's a tight squeeze anymore. We need a new chair. Let's do another new chair. Say bye.
See you later.